Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you located in the colder parts of the country, wherein the water in your bird bath just iced, and currently looking for bird heaters, heated bird bath, or water de-icer, which is very applicable for your winter bird bath? If you're looking for bird bath heaters, then the Bird Bath De-Icer 200 watts will be the perfect product for you. Now you can attract more birds by keeping your bird bath ice-free all winter long. Now you don't have to worry about the weather in your location and the water in your bird bath. Birds will still flock into your garden, yard, or patio. Here are its technical specifications. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 9.75 by 3.75 by 3.88. Weight is 0.15. You and the birds that flock in your garden will surely love this de-icer. Don't wait any further and grab the Bird Bath De-Icer 200 watts today at a very affordable price and see to it that every lovely bird will stay in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.